Life has made me so quiet. I just want to listen. No more talking. No more arguing. No more explaining. Just silence.
The cold wind whispers through the night, a distant echo of your voice. The storm outside reflects my heart, left shattered by your silent choice. The raindrops trace the glass with tears, just like the ones I've tried to hide. Your shadow lingers in the dark, a ghost of love that's been denied. The rain keeps falling, washing me away, drowning the words I couldn't say. The sky is crying for what we lost, and I'm paying the heavy cost. The lightning cuts across the sky, much like the pain you left behind. Each flash reveals what I conceal, a broken soul, a fractured mind. If time could turn and bring you back, would we survive this endless track? Or would we fade like the morning dew, lost in the storm, me and you? The rain keeps falling, the night won't end, a song of sorrow I can't defend. Your memory lingers, a haunting call. It's raining outside, and I lose it all.